Polkadot is again in this last demand zone, but will we finally see the bullish breakout, or can we fall to even lower prices? In this video I will talk about Polkadot and share my price prediction for the future. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates about Polkadot, Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So after this last high right here in 2024, we saw this massive crash to lower levels. From the top to the bottom we saw a decrease about 67%, which is really extreme because Polkadot is one of the biggest coins. It's on place 16 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $6.1 billion. Until now we are not seeing any bullish signs. Of course, if we have a look at the total crypto market cap, you can see that we are ranging around here, and we could also see a retest of this last demand zone again before we are seeing the bullish breakout. But if we are looking at this chart right now, we are not seeing any bullish power. Of course, we saw this break of this supply zone, which was a good sign, but after this last high we then saw this massive crash and came all the way down to the bottom of the bear market, which is not a really good sign because other coins are also exploding and seeing higher prices, but Polkadot is not really exploding in the last time. But if you're on the sideline right now, of course these prices are already a great chance for some long positions because they are very cheap. And if we are going on the daily time frame, it is now important that we are seeing some bullish explosion, because always if we are coming back into this demand zone and saw a bullish move out of the zone, then the chance was really high that we are seeing higher prices. So now it's important that we are breaking first this last $5 high right here, maybe retesting it, and with the bullish confirmation I would go into a long position. But of course we have some resistance right here at this last high right here at nearly $6.60, because from this high we saw this downwards move, we saw the break of structure and the move to this last demand zone. And if we are breaking this one, then we also have this last supply zone right here, which is also a really big resistance. But if we could also break this one with bullish momentum, then I think the chance is high that we can see higher prices for Polkadot and start the bullish run. And for this bull run I'm also very bullish on Polkadot, but I'm not sure if we are reaching this last all-time high, because not every coin from the last cycle will reach its all-time high, and we are not seeing very bullish power in this region. So I think this kind of price target here at $23 is very realistic, especially if we have a look again at the market cap. We already have a high market cap, but I think this kind of high is very realistic for this bull run. We would also have from the prices right now a potential over 400%, but I'm not sure if we're reaching this last all-time high at $55 or even higher. So I would personally wait if we are breaking this last high here at $5 to the upside, and then I would enter a long position to get into this breakout. But as long as we are ranging in this last demand zone between $5 and nearly $3.50, then I wouldn't go into Polkadot again, because we are not seeing bullish power. If we are seeing the bullish power, then I would go into a long position again. And if we're reaching this kind of high, I would take some profits, because often over important highs there's much liquidity and the chance for a bigger pullback is there. So if we're reaching this last high, I would also take profits. And then we have to see how Polkadot and how the whole crypto market is evolving in this bull run. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.